Hi guys, today let's discuss this leaderboard. Isa ito sa mga bases as well as ideas we'll discuss along this video. But then again, itong video natin today is for global discussion. And if you want to update the current subtitle, you can just go to closed captions and then select settings. Look for your preferred language, guys. So, ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin itong leaderboard. Ito ay isa sa mga part ng Smart Money Toolkit. Niraranks up dito yung mga top performing wallets or yung mga traders by metrics ng kanilang PNL, win rate, average buy price, etc. No? Ang dami din nagtatanong dito, guys, kung paano nga ba i-check. Also to help see what successful traders or wallets na ginagawa nila on-chain across doon sa mga chains. No? Say for example, we can check dito nitong top address. Ito yung 7-day PNL niya. And yung trend ng PNL niya, makikita din natin dito. So, yung win rate niya, once na i-check natin itong top 1 na ito, makikita natin dito yung win rate in 7 days as well as yung transactions, etc. guys. No? Like for example, 7 days. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-realized PNL niya. So, we can also check yung kanyang Solana balance dito. Ayan, as we can see. Win rate as well. Buy and sell transaction. So, yun. Discuss lang natin ito kasi dami rin nagtatanong. Also, just want to acknowledge your questions. And ma-share ko din dito yung experience ko, guys, no? So, dito sa leaderboard, ayan, sa taas, nag-update ito real time, no? So, like for example, yung performance metrics nila ay makikita natin dito. So, 7 days PNL, ayan. But then again, guys, no, dito sa kanilang leaderboard, like for example, let's check yung top 1. Meron pa rin ditong pinaka-risk, guys, no? So, yung learning dito is that to observe lang yung kung ano yung ginagawa ng high performance wallets na ginagawa. Ano yung coins na sinisimulate nila dito, yung timing nila as well as kung paano nila minamanage yung kanilang trades, no? Nag-hold ba sila? Or frequently trades ba yung ginagawa nila? So like for example, we'll check history. Ayun, so for this one, average buys and then sell lang, no? So meron siyang PNL dito na scroll up lang natin. Ayan, no? 115.47 USDT. So nag-DCAs lang siya dyan. Isa din sa mga useful dito is yung like strategy nila, no? We can get ideas for our own trading plan which emphasizes yung plano. Like for example, DCAs and then benta, taking profit. So yun yung isa sa mga observations natin dito. Risk awareness as well, napaka-importante. You'll see yung mga top wallets dito na may mga drawdowns or inconsistent trades, guys, no? So for this one, makikita natin, no? May mga negative din siya. Which means risk management is very important. So makikita natin, meron siya ditong negative, oh. Let's check as well. Meron siya ditong profits. Pero doon, we observe the negative PNL din. Ayan. Risk awareness, no? We also have these useful insights dito based from my experience, no? Na by checking what works and perhaps what doesn't. So, we can avoid yung mga repeating obvious errors, no? Yun yung isa sa mga na-observe natin dito. Like, for example, getting in too late and ignoring the risk. So, yan yung isa sa mga risk dito since ito is karamihan na trades dito is meme talaga, guys. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, no? For reference. And doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some insights dito at para masagot ko rin yung mga questions nyo dito, guys, no? So, leaderboard lang. Ayan. And then like for example, let's check other wallets dito na maganda yung Sparklines. Ito. So, check natin. So, ito yung pinaka PNL niya within 7 days. Again, guys, important cautions dito. How to use it wisely. Again, past performance does not guarantee yung future success, guys. Just because a wallet performed well in the past 7 days does not guarantee yung future returns, no? So, yan yung isa sa mga tatandaan natin dito. And, don't blindly copy. Kasi someone observing ng mga wallets, else trades doesn't mean they fit sa risk appetite or risk profile mo, sa time frame mo as well or sa strategy. We should also understand nung mga metrics, no? So, we can observe naman yan dito sa kanilang history, no? So, very differently, higher risk than you are comfortable with, no? So, yung PNL might be high, but risk may have been huge din, guys, no? So, yan yung isa sa mga kailangan nating tandaan dito. Avoid FOMO din, I would say, and hype chasing. So, yung leaderboard may highlight yung mga wallets dito that just got lucky or that trade very differently, yung like higher risk than you are comfortable with, no? Dito, privacy and data sharing, please be cautious guys. Itong mga wallets na ito sa Leaderboard, so mga wallet address lang yung nakalagay dito. I think yan din yung kagandahan sa DEX, I would say. I always keep mentioning yung mga rug pulls guys, no? Tapos kung hindi ka dito careful, yung said phrase mo, yan yung pinaka downside kasi wala itong KYC. Ikaw lang nakakaalam dapat ng said phrase mo kasi pag nawala mo yun, wala ka nang magiging access dito. Ikaw lang talaga yung makaka-recover ng funds mo guys, no? So yun yung isa sa mga downside dito. Yun, maybe I'll share some key takeaways lang dito. Like, we can check ng mga real wallets dito and their performance, no? So, not just chances or guesses, no? You can also filter ng time frame. Like, for example, we'll check this one and see which wallets yung consistently performing well, no? Like, for example, 1 month, ayan, nakikita mo yung pinaka-spark lines. Please keep in mind, guys, no, na it's a tool for learning, not copying blindly. So, yung strategy mo, risk tolerance, time frame, must still guide pa rin sa atin, no? So, use it for like a study. What tokens are they buying? Kailan sila dito nag-execute ng buy and sell as well? What's their average buy price? Mga ganun, no? What's their win rate? So, we can check dito sa my Leaderboard. And remember guys, no? Yung growth dito comes from action, effort, at yung disiplina sa sarili. So, yung Leaderboard, nagbibigay lang sa atin ng data, but at the end of the day, you still need to apply the process, no? Yun, ito, you can just check itong features under smart money pa rin ito, and ang dami pa dito mga options that you can check. Yun, other tips pa siguro dito guys, maybe I'll share lang. So, you can check itong referral tab as well. You can enter a code, Crypto Fortune guys, no? So, may discount na dito na 10%. Ayan, no? So, you can add Crypto Fortune dito sa may referral tab for 10% off, no? Yun. Hope you get some insights about Leaderboard sa mga nagtatanong. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions guys, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.